Oh, you We got $50,000 to Children's National for Pediatric Cancer Research.
What attracted me the most was when I first saw the announcement. So I was like, let me sign up, see if they choose me. Like maybe I'll donate the car to charity and perhaps I'll raise some money for my institution.
Just enjoy the experience. It was a lot of fun. Scary, but a lot of fun.
Come prepared with warm clothes, a blanket, and 2 pillows.
Do not fall asleep too deep. Stay close to the car.
To all my children's employees and colleagues, I really think you should do this, and I really think we're going to win this year.
Go Children's. Last year we made it to the end, cheering for you, and you're going to get this check.
Hello, I'm Kevin Riley, owner of Alexandria Hyundai, and on behalf of all the Washington Area Hyundai dealers, we encourage all our friends at Children's National to enter the 2020 Hyundai Hands on Hope contest.